Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where these green line are coming from. And I mean, talk about them both playing pretty critical roles in today's price movement. Really, and I'm not patting myself on the back, but it really just goes to show the power of charts. First key level that really, kind of flexed its muscles, not kind of, it did, was this green line down here at the $6 mark, which I talked about on Monday as being a key level of support. And you can see there was that gap down this morning, but check it out. You know that there are some technical players out there, some chart players that are very, very happy right now. They were accumulating down at the $6 mark. They got the bounce, and then from there went all the way up there, which brings us to the next point that I've talked about in past videos in regards to levels of resistance. And once again, surprise, surprise, as I've talked about, that purple line is indeed the area of resistance. And while I'm not saying the price can't break above it or it's impossible or anything like that, I'm just saying we have yet another data point. Here are the more recent, or the second more recent periods right there, where that purple line is being very, very stubborn. So again, not saying it's impossible to break above that purple line or anything like that. I'm just saying that with the story that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring it to A game if it is going to be able to not only get up above that purple line, but stay up above it. And then carrying on with the remainder of the day, the price did pull back here. But then, surprise, surprise, again, this other area of support that I've talked about at 615 held as support and actually created a nice little bounce. So all in all, literally every level that I talked about on Monday played a big role in today's movement. So overall, though, when all the dust is settled, sure, I get it, the price, in the overall chart, it'd look a little bit better had the price actually been able to close up around this area of the chart. So yeah, the pullback, not the most exciting thing, but at least the price stayed up above 615, and, it's got a chance now, it's looking like, to give another run up and maybe do battle with that 50-period moving average again going into Wednesday. So quite the eventful day, a good, healthy day. Not as healthy as it could have been, but still, with all other things considered, nice movement for the Bulls. So we'll see if they can potentially get the break of that 50-period moving average on Wednesday or Thursday or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.